Hi, and welcome to week 8. You have finally made it. You are about over halfway through the course. It's imperative that this week you look at the grade book and see what assignments you are reflecting either a low score, meaning a low score on a test, quiz, or an assignment, or if you are currently missing any late assignments outside of the discussion forum. Please shoot me an email and let me know which assignments you would like to take advantage of next week to be able to complete. Keep in mind that we are on Thanksgiving break next week, so any assignments outside of 1 through 8 modules will not be able to be made up after next week. So please stay in communication. Contact me so we can make a game plan. And also be safe out there. I know that in Kentucky and in Cincinnati, the pandemic coronavirus numbers are up. So please continue to be healthy and safe and stay in constant communication. Have a great week, and I look forward to hearing from you.